It's easy to make your own graphite paper. All you need is a piece of paper and a pencil. Color the paper in one direction, then the opposite direction, and last a third direction. Fill in the whole sheet of paper. This usually takes about 10 minutes, but you use this graphite paper many times. Wasn't that easy? First, tape your outline page or photograph to the top of your watercolor paper so it doesn't slide around. Next, place your graphite paper between the top and bottom layers. Be sure the graphite side is down. Then use a pen, pencil, or stylet to trace over the lines. You can lift it up to see how dark the line is, or if you missed anything. If your drawing is too light, you can reinforce it with your pencil. If you need to erase, use a kneaded eraser to easily lift up the lines. If you need to realign those papers later, say you missed part of your drawing, here's a tip. Cut the two bottom edges of your outline or drawing at an angle. Then use a pencil to mark where the two edges are on your watercolor paper. If you need to realign the papers later, line up those two edges and they'll be perfect. You can also make graphite paper with watercolor pencils, any color you like. My new online watercolor school just went online this week. It's all free, so check it out. I'm adding lots more lessons, and there are good tips on the best watercolor materials at the best prices, like free graphite paper.